Hi friends! So today I'm making a quick little video for you guys going over a fun phonics lesson. So we've been learning about phonics and we've been learning about different letter sounds and how we read those. And today we're going to take it up a level and we're going to be talking about the sneaky E. So the first thing I want to do before we start our lesson is I want you to think, what does the word sneaky mean? I want you to tell either yourself or the person you're watching this video with, what does the word sneaky mean? Think in your head. I'll give you a second. All right, you got it? So sneaky can mean that they're sly, they're stealthy, they're sneaking around. Think about a ninja. They're silently sneaking around doing things that we don't see or we don't hear. I want you to keep that in your mind for when we get to our sneaky E, okay? So the first thing I want to do before we get to the sneaky E is just talk about going through some letter sounds. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to read off a couple words and I want you to tell me or tell the person you're watching this with, what letter sound do you hear at the end of the word? At the end of the word, okay? So the first one we've got, before we get into that, our learning target is I can read words with a sneaky E. So the first thing we've got going on here, these are our first words. So I want you to listen with your ears for the end letter sound. So we've got fig, big, and pig. What letter sound do you hear? Tell the person you're with or think it in your brain. G, right? And see how every letter ends in that letter G for G? Fig, big, pig. Okay, let's go into our next one. All right, I want you to listen again for that last letter sound. We've got bin and tin. What letter sound do you hear? Tell the person you're with or think it in your brain. N, right? And they both end in that letter N for N. Okay, last one. Listen to that last letter sound. Mat, sat, rat. Think that last letter sound. It's T, right? For T, and they all end in that T. T. Okay, so now we're going to move on to something slightly different. I'm going to read off these next words, and I want you to, again, listen for the last letter sound that you hear. Not that you see, that you hear. We've got k, ache, t, ache, f, ache. Okay. What letter sound did you hear at the end of that? Did you hear k, right? K. Our K sound is making a k. But these words don't end in K. They end in E. But the E, these don't go k, ache, t, ache, f, ache, right? So the E is silent, almost like a sneaky ninja. So that's what our sneaky E is. So it does two things. So the first thing it does is that it's silent because it's sneaky. So you're not going to hear that letter sound at the end of these words. It might be there, but it's not making any noise. But it is doing something. So I'm going to go back to these words. And I want you to now listen for the middle sound, the middle letter sound. So listen. M, at, s, at, r, at. Okay, tell the person you're with, what was that middle sound that you heard? Ah, right? We made our short A sound for ah. Now, I want to go back to those sneaky E words. Listen again for the middle letter sound. K, ache, t, ache, f, ache. Okay, tell the person you're with. What sound did you hear? That middle letter sound. Did you hear A, that long A sound? I wonder if the sneaky E has anything to do with it. All right, I want to go on to the next one, and I want you to keep that in your mind. See if this one is the same. Does the sneaky E make our vowel sound long? D, I'm, t, I'm. Did you hear a long I sound? Did the I say its name? D, I'm. It did, didn't it? Okay, we're going to do one more, and I want you to see. Let's see if it works. All right, listen again for that middle letter sound. L, I, n. F, I, n. It did it again. It made the vowel sound long. Well, friends, that is exactly what the sneaky E does. So not only is it silent at the end of the word, but it's a little magic ninja that's also making the vowel sound in front of it say its name. So friends, that's our lesson today, just on sneaky E. We'll keep going over it as time goes on, but that's the sneaky E. It's silent, and it makes the vowel sound in front of it say its name. All right, friends, that's all I have for you today. Well, I'll see you again in the next lesson.